Hi everyone. Today we will be exploring the places to visit in the Lake District. But first, let me give flowers to my girl. I can't get out of the car, as parking here for long is not allowed. The Lake District is a region and national park in Cumbria in northwest England. A popular vacation destination, it's known for its glacial ribbon lakes, rugged fell mountains and historic literary associations. Windermere in the Lake District is England's largest lake at 10.5 miles long. That's just over 18 kilometers. At its deepest point is 219 feet. That's 66.7 m. Windermere is also the name of a small town, which lies just over a mile from the lake shore. It's separate from the town of Bowness-On-Windermere, which is one of the busiest places along the shoreline and the main jetties for cruise boats. Market towns such as Kendal, Ambleside and Keswick on scenic Derwent Water are bases for exploring the area and home to traditional inns, galleries of local art and outdoor equipment shops. Visiting the Lake District is one of the most popular holiday choices for people around the UK and further afield. The Lake District National Park has a wide range of activities and attractions and natural beauty. Just unwind and enjoy the space, from walking and cycling to boating or paddleboarding. There is something for everyone in the Lake District. Bowness-On-Windermere is a sprawling tourist town on the shore of Windermere, about halfway along the 10.5-mile length of the lake between Waterhead at the north end and Lakeside at the south end. It developed after the opening of the railway line from Oxenholme and Kendal to Windermere in 1847. Bowness was the nearest accessible point on the lake. Now the Lake District's most popular visitor destination, Bowness-On-Windermere is busy for much of the year. People come to enjoy the lake for sailing and water sports, or just to relax and enjoy the atmosphere of the area and the town's delightful setting. Red Cruise. Sail from Bowness to Ambleside or vice versa. 75 minutes return, 30 to 35 minutes one way. This beautiful round trip from Bowness can be taken as a 75-minute non-landing cruise. Alternatively, you may board at either Ambleside, Windermere Jetty Museum or Brockholm and return on a later boat from Bowness.
Yellow Cruise, a stunning cruise along the southern half of Lake Windermere, Bowness to Lakeside. 90 minutes return, 40 minutes one way. Enjoy a beautiful round trip from Bowness. Stay on board for a 90-minute return cruise or get off at Lakeside and catch a later boat back. Alternatively, start at Lakeside Pier, get off at Bowness and return on a later boat. Each cruise includes a fascinating commentary on the history, attractions and points of interest surrounding Windermere. Islands, Blue Cruise. Take in the islands of Windermere, Bowness to Bowness. 45 minutes in length, departs every 30 minutes in peak season, fewer in the winter. A circular cruise from Bowness, with fantastic views of the many islands, homes, lakeland mountains, wooded shorelines and bays. Freedom of the lake. Enjoy a full day out on Windermere, explore the whole of Windermere, and enjoy a full day out with a Freedom of the Lake ticket. The best value cruise ticket is valid on all scheduled sailings, and is valid for 24 hours from the time of purchase, or when you exchange your online e-voucher for your ticket at our piers. The ticket is valid on all of the following cruises. Full length of Windermere, Lakeside to Ambleside Waterhead, combining Red Amp, Yellow Cruise. 2. Red Cruise. Half of the lake. Bowness to Brockholm to Ambleside Waterhead to Bowness 3. Yellow Cruise. Half of the lake. Bowness Lakeside. 4. Islands Blue Cruise. Bowness to Windermere Jetty Museum to Bowness. 5. The Freedom of the Lake ticket allows you to sit back, relax, and see the whole of the lake. Travel the full length of Lake Windermere in just under 3 hours. At Lakeside Amp. Haverthwaite Railway. Travel back in time when you climb aboard the steam train. A distant memory of bygone years for some and a new experience for others, it's a unique day out for all. Established in 1973, the Lakeside and Haverthwaite Railway is a family-run business in the heart of the Lake District. Steam engines haul traditional 1950s carriages through the countryside scenery of the Leven Valley, leisurely transporting passengers to Lakeside Station, where connections are available with Windermere Lake cruises. The quaint surroundings at Haverthwaite Station entice guests to stay a while. At the Victorian Station you will find a tea room, gift shop, engine shed, woodland playground and walk. The station welcomes dogs, and they can even ride the train for free. Greenwood Trails, a collection of walks in Rusland, an area that stretches between Windermere and Coniston Water to the south of Grisdale Forest Point. Trail 1, Old Hall Farm to Rusland Moss and Haybridge. Trail 2, Haverthwaite Heights to Abbott's Reading. Trail 3, the Bobbin Mill to High Dam, Ewbarrow and Finstwaite. Trail 4, Oxon Park to Bethacar Moor. Trail 5, Rusland Valley, and Ewbarrow. Trail 6, Grisdale West Multi-User Accessible Trail. Trail 7, Finstwaite Tower and the Knott Trail, Satterthwaite and Rusland. It's time to experience and indulge in the scenic beauty of the Lake District.